Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. And I'm so excited when I get Happy Mail. I just want to pose a second and remind you that it really is a hug in a box. You know, the person this didn't just show up in your mailbox. This person who sent this happens to be Dory from Dories Dollies, bought this item for you or made an item for you. They spent the time getting it ready for postage. They paid the postage, which is outrageous anymore. It's such a lovely thing, Happy Mail, and it is exciting. And this is an AG doll, American Girl. I can tell by the box. Oh, Dory, thank you. Oh, that's really stuck in there. Okay, that's the receipt. It is Nanea. The girl is from Hawaii. I do not have this doll. I don't have her, believe it or not, Darren, in 18-inch, nor did I have her in 6-inch. And she has a different face mold than a lot of them. Boy, I don't know if it's me or my scissors or Darren cut it with a knife. I don't want to tear my box up. Oh my God. Her little book's in there. See her little book? Oh, how cute. Oh, she's adorable. I think she's Bruno Mars' little sister. Oh, how cute is she? Oh, Dory, 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 Dory. Thank you so much. And not only do I appreciate the gift, I appreciate the shopping and getting it ready, the whole bit. I really do. These are little shorts. Isn't that adorable? And these have that oriental look. These are not stickers. This is actually embroidered onto the fabric. It is 2 pieces. Oh, God, this is so cute. She's going to go on my shelf. If you don't know, I found one of those AG mini shelves, and I'm gathering little dolls in better shape than I normally buy. Look at her little sandals. Oh, Dory, she's so cute. Thank you. And gathering dolls, and I'm going to fill up that shelf with these darling little 6-inch American Girl dolls. Oh, Dory, I can't thank you enough. And isn't this box amazing? I mean, really, isn't this box amazing? Let's go ahead and pull this little book out. And I'll bet, yes, indeed, it is an actual mini book telling you about Nanea. Let's see. Bruno Mars' little sister. Yep, sure enough. Come on, Darren, you're supposed to be laughing at my sick humor. Dory, thank you so much. I'll be hearing her singing a Hawaiian lei song out here. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am nuts for American Girl dolls right now. I've just really fallen deep, deep, deep in a rabbit hole. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Join us on Thursday nights live at 6 p.m. and please subscribe to the channel.